A pellet stove is easy to operate, and in fact I heat my home with a pellet stove of the same brand. It's an insert, but I heat 2,000 square feet, and I turn off my furnace. It's my sole source of heat. I'm going to use about 1 to 4, one bag a day to 1 bag every 4 days, depending on how cold it is outside. So you pour the pellets in here. Each one of these hoppers takes about a bag and a half, and that's a 40-pound bag. So there's 50 40-pound bags in a ton. A ton of pellets is roughly equivalent in usage to a quart of wood. So it's going to last you, depending on how cold it is, you know, in most cases at least a couple of months. The stove is easy to clean. What I do when I get up in the morning is I turn the temperature from 65 up to maybe 75. I leave some latent heat in the house, and then I get up and I turn it on, and then I let it operate all day. It controls itself. It modulates the feed rate up and down to maintain a particular temperature. So to clean the stove, I don't even wait for the stove to turn off. You can open it while it's going. It has a cleaning tool. You scrape the burn pot maybe every day or two to make sure that you scrape out any carbon buildup. Aside from that, the ash is just going to blow over the side and into the tray down below. You only need to empty the tray below maybe every month, 6 weeks, something like that. So for people who are used to a wood stove, this is wonderful. It's a lot less work. You could control the heat a little bit better. You don't have the mess of wood, and it's an excellent option. The principle of how this works is you have a small fire, and it's heating up a heat exchanger, and then fans are picking up room air, blowing it through the heat exchanger and blowing it out the top. So this is where your heat's coming from. You don't get a lot of heat off the glass and off the stove body itself like you do with a wood stove.